Because it becomes very costly to have a certified engineer, to hire a certified engineer for every person who's willing to sell a second-hand car. Because buying sometimes second-hand car is like 40,000 to 50,000 rupees. It's very difficult to have a certified engineer in every part of the country, and you cannot have a law for Delhi and not for Gujarat. So therefore, this kind of solution come up when the intrinsic value is high. Now let me give you another example of civil aviation. You do not know that the aircraft that you are owning has gone through all the safety checks. Now if jet airlines do not do all of them, there are 21 safety checks, and they just do 10-15. It's like marriage in South India. They mirror the country, and some 18 or some rules have to be married only out of 36 and only they say yes. They can still go ahead and have a marriage with just 16 rules matching. It's a voluntary action. You cannot have a certification for that. Similarly, but for a jet aircraft, if they do 18 out of 21 and think that okay, we are running out of time and this flight has to take off, whatever the whole schedule will get disrupted. It's okay, let it go. There is no way to guarantee it. So therefore, you have the Bureau of Civil Aviation Safety, which penalizes airways if they do not go further. So here is a potential asymmetric information which the market solves through regulation. This brings me to the first question of monopoly power. I said that the market pays if there is monopoly power. Meaning to say, if the sector is such that it inherently supports national monopoly. Telecom in India pays a certain time, civil aviation sector, these are all national monopolies. Because the costs of setting up a business are huge. Right? What does the law say? And when I say law, I am talking about not the law per se. I am talking about the law and economics as a theoretical construct, or economics as a theoretical construct. It says, and please listen to me carefully, it says that when a sector supports or is inherently such that it pushes up a natural monopoly, we need to have a regulator. I repeat, it's not so trivial as it sounds to me. If there is market failure in the sector, we need to have a regulator. You all must have heard of the competition commission. A competition commission fosters competition. The two are distinctly different, and I just want you all to understand it. And the law therefore becomes completely different for the two sets. A competition commission do not come in because the market fails. A regulator comes in because the market fails. So the regulator comes in and regulates the market so that the monopolies do not charge you any price that you feel like. Do not get away with asymmetric information. Do not get away with having, just doing anything that you feel like you have not been able to. You just have to take it. If you have to fly to Mumbai, you just have to take it. Whether they have been 18 days out of 21 or whether they are asking for 14 days. Look at the telecom. We have BSNL. You know, when I was a student, we had to go and collect buses to call up at 11 o'clock in the night when the race was 1 o'clock. And a 10-minute call, there were no mobile phones. And a 10-minute call would cost us more than 100 bucks. That was the least costly. And that time, obviously, the kind of money you get from parents is much. Think of how. And there were only two tests, BSNL and SPL, state government tests. It was a sector that where there was natural money. Because you have to lay down the cables, you have to use infrastructure in this world. But a regulator came in for a clear idea. It slowly opened up the sector, gave an access deficit charge to gains, and slowly decreased that. And today it is a wonder. When mobile came in, one call would cost 17 rupees a minute. Today you have 6 seconds, 1 time. That's the least. So a regulator can do wonders. It can bring in competition.
How much credit does the regulator deserve, and how much is with technology in telecom specifically?
See, technology obviously has played a huge and major role. But before technology and the benefits of technology came in, the regulator got in private players to get it and facilitated the entry of private players. And we started seeing the benefits of those. Then technology, there was a leap in technology. It's not just about technology. It's also about per capita income. I mean, we all know, for example, through our development economics, Roscoe's 5 stages of growth. I'm sure you have read about it, right?
May not.
Oh, okay. There is something called Roscoe's 5 stages of growth, a very well-known theory of development. It says